Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today, I'll guide you on how to open the Google Cloud Console with a desktop shortcut, making it convenient to manage your cloud resources with just a click. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech advice. Alright, first of all, open your web browser. So I'm gonna open the Google Chrome browser, and normally you have to type on the address bar console.cloud.google.com. So I'm going to type here console.cloud.google.com. And after then, press on enter. And now if you want to create the shortcut of it, normally you have to click on the top right corner's three-dot icon. And you will see some options here. Normally hover over cast, save and share. And select create shortcut from here. Give it a name. So I'm giving it a name here, Cloud Console, and press on enter button, create it. So I'm gonna clicking on the create button, and now it's gonna create a shortcut on my desktop. And every time if I click on that, it will redirect me to console.cloud.google.com. And that's all about today's video. I think it will help you a lot, and if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.